Hey, have you ever heard the terminology stinking thinking? Stinking thinking. I believe, who knows for sure where it actually came from, but I first heard that terminology in recovery circles where our minds get so filled with thoughts that are putrid and nasty and ugly and horrible and stinky that we get stuck in a rut, that our thoughts become pewy. Stinking thinking is not a kind of thinking that is going to get us where we need to go toward a better life. If we have consistently thought nasty thoughts, bad thoughts, down thoughts, bitter thoughts, blaming thoughts, everybody else's fault but mine thoughts, victimized thoughts, when will somebody rescue me thoughts. Those are the kind of stinking thinking ruts that our brain gets stuck in, and it also becomes a bit automatic. That's the ruts that we have built, and our minds just keep falling into the same pattern. So it feels like we're going to be there for a while. I'm challenging you to think about what you're thinking about. If your mind keeps going automatically to negative, we may need to shake it up and push it so it starts going in another direction so you and I can be better.